Hello guys, welcome to our channel American Money School. Our today's topic is budgeting mistakes that make you poor.
What's even more alarming is that many people feel trapped in their financial situations, believing they are destined to struggle forever. This mindset can be just as damaging as the budgeting mistakes themselves. To break free, you need to shift your perspective. Instead of viewing money as a limiting factor or a source of stress, see it as a tool you can use to create opportunities. Remember, every small step counts towards building your financial future. It's time to take charge and make informed decisions that pave the way to your goals. It's crucial to recognize that change doesn't happen overnight. It requires persistence and a willingness to adjust your mindset. Set aside time each week to review your spending habits, track your progress towards your financial goals, and celebrate even the smallest victories. Whether it's paying off a credit card or saving a little extra for your emergency fund, every positive action compounds over time. Remember, the road to financial security is not a sprint but a marathon, and every step you take brings you closer to the finish line. Embrace the journey, stay committed, and watch your confidence grow as you master your finances. To truly harness the potential of your finances, you must embrace proactive habits. Commit to regular financial check-ins, where you assess not just your budget but also the overall impact of your financial decisions. For instance, consider every major purchase you make. Does it align with your long-term goals? Developing this mindful approach can greatly enhance your financial literacy and empower you in the pursuit of wealth. As you implement these new practices, remember that consistency is key. Don't be afraid to seek advice or resources that resonate with you, as knowledge is instrumental in avoiding common pitfalls and enhancing your financial well-being. Consider this: financial success isn't just about cutting costs. It's also about making informed investments that align with your financial goals. Educate yourself about different investment opportunities, whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or a retirement account. Diversifying your investments can safeguard your wealth against market fluctuations. Furthermore, stay updated on market trends and adjust your portfolio accordingly. You don't need to become an expert overnight. Start with small investments and gradually build your knowledge. By adopting a proactive investing mindset, you can create an additional income stream, helping you achieve financial freedom and security. Next, let's address the importance of developing a budget that truly reflects your lifestyle and needs. Many people create generic budgets that don't fit the unique circumstances, leading to frustration and failure. Tailoring your budget can make it more realistic and achievable. Start by categorizing your expenses: fixed, variable, and discretionary, and ensure you allocate your income accurately to each section. This personalized approach not only helps you track spending but also encourages accountability as you aim to stick to your plan. Regularly revisiting and adjusting your budget as your life changes is essential. Next, let's highlight the power of accountability in your financial journey. Consider involving a trusted friend or family member in your budgeting process. Sharing your goals creates a support system that keeps you motivated and accountable. Regularly discussing your progress can help you stay focused and reinforce positive habits. If you stumble, it's vital to revisit those conversations, seek feedback, and reevaluate your plans. Having someone to celebrate your victories with or to lean on during setbacks can make a significant difference. Remember, financial success is often not just about individual effort but also about the relationships you foster along the way. Engaging in meaningful discussions about money with your community can also foster a sense of empowerment and encouragement. Organize or attend workshops focused on financial literacy, where you can share experiences and learn from others. Networking with individuals who share similar goals can lead to valuable insights and tips that strengthen your financial journey. Your financial journey is not solely a solitary endeavor. It's a shared experience that thrives on community support and shared wisdom. By prioritizing collaboration and education, you not only elevate your own understanding but also contribute to the financial empowerment of others, creating a ripple effect of success for all.